Hey guys, welcome back to Jermaine Morgan TV. We're still in the 1 minute lick series, and today I'm going to break down this really churchy lick number 10, so stay tuned. So right off you can hear we're in the key of A, and for the people who know like church music or shout music, you know that's a pretty standard chromatic shout run or walking bass line for the people who are familiar with that type of sound. It's this recurring sound over and over again. But the line that I'm playing over this particular line is really simple. So I start with the open A. The next note I grab is that D. The next note I grab is that E. And we grab that G. Then we grab that C. It's almost like we're making that chord. That's the first part of it. Now the second thing is we move it over a whole step. Now there's where it changes. So again, the first part. And we grab that E again and slide it down. So the second part is almost like that D major pentatonic. But we come back and grab that little dominant or that minor sound again. So again. And the slide is what gives it that really churchy thing. And when I say churchy, it's really meaning soulful or dominant. It's just something that we, as church musicians, are the ones who play in a church setting. We kind of understand that stuff like means more churchy, you know. Dominant sounds or more soulful sounds in a churchy setting is what we normally consider churchy. So when you hear me use that term, that's what I mean by that. So again. And I just use that as a way to get me back to the one. So as you can hear, it's a pretty simple line, but up to speed, of course, it always sounds like it's a little bit more complicated than what it is, but that's pretty much the whole line. And if you're interested in more of this churchy sounding type runs and feels and trying to understand more of that gospel approach of things from a more traditional side, I have a couple of courses on my website called the Shout Bump Bass course, where I talk about a lot of this stuff like shout music. Of course, we're playing it a lot faster in that particular course. And I also have a course called the Congregational course. If you're looking for some material, some resources to help you understand more of the gospel approach to things and playing the bass line over some of those old traditional type sounding songs. So if you're interested in any of those courses, you're more than welcome to check out JermaineMorgan.net, where I have tons of material like this, as well as more licks just like this. And if not, I will see you guys on the next video. I'm totally enjoying doing this. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this type lick. If you would like to see some more gospel type stuff, I'll be more than happy to break it down for you. But other than that, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.